We talk about paraffin wax a lot, and I came to the realization that unless you're a candle freak like me, you might not even know what paraffin wax is, or why you really need to stay away from it. It's a chemical wax substance that comes from the process of making petroleum. If you watch our videos, you know that. But why would candle manufacturers continue to use it if they know that it comes from petroleum? That's because it holds fragrance and color very well, it's very cheap, and it has a very low melting point. It's also used in wax paper polishes, cosmetics, heavy-duty floor wax, tanning agents, rust preventatives, and they listed candles twice. Okay, but look at all these chemicals that are in it. This is what you are inhaling every time you burn that cinnamon bun candle. It's kind of similar to like if you were to breathe in gas for a long period of time. And the EPA even says that it is the leading cause of indoor air pollution. Is your paraffin wax candles. Your candles are also harming the environment. Besides the toxins and air pollution that it emits, the whole process of refining petroleum is just really bad for the environment. So it's best to use natural waxes when we can, especially when they're so much better for you, the environment, your home, your health, everything. They just really are. If you want to learn more about paraffin wax or the other dangers of candles, especially in the fragrance industry, let me know in the comments below.